A box that's literally the size of your entire apartment. You know the paper's bad when you would rather pay bills. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Hannah. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to start off a little productive vlog. I have way too many things to do today, to the point where I'm procrastinating by vlogging. That's how bad it is. I don't even know where to start. Like, I need to clean my apartment. My parents come tomorrow. I'm getting COVID tested later. I have a 1,000-word paper to write. Another one of those. Grad school just keeps blessing me. I'm working today and I just have like 1,000,001 things to do. My mind is all over the place and super scattered. So it's one of those days, but I'm taking you guys along with me because we are going to grind out. Anyways, like I said, if you're new around here, my name is Hannah. I promise I'm not always this crazy. Sometimes. Before I even begin this video, I want to thank Ana Luisa for collaborating with me on this video. I am so freaking excited to be working with this brand because this is a brand that I genuinely love and have used in the past. I actually use this brand when I have to buy gifts for like my sister or friends or even myself or family. They are such an affordable and high quality jewelry brand. I think prices start at $39 and go up, so basically there's something for everyone. There's a wide range of products that you can choose from. All of their products are sustainable, which is another really big plus to purchase from Ana Luisa, is that they really try to hone in on the sustainability and make sure that all their products and the packaging and everything that they do is sustainable, which we love because that's like definitely something that's really important nowadays. You know, global warming, we love that. But anyways, I figured I would do like a little unboxing with you guys on the camera. They were kind enough to send me 2 pieces. So it came in a box like this, which is like literally the perfect size. There's nothing worse than when you purchase something online and they send you a box that's literally the size of your entire apartment for 1 or 2 things. That's just so unnecessary. So I love that it comes in like a really small package that just makes sense for the jewelry pieces. It even says it on the inside. It says smaller packaging, less waste, more love. The 2 pieces came in these little pouches. I love these and I think I'm going to keep these pouches because these are perfect to travel with when we can finally travel again. So starting with the first pouch. Oh, this is stunning. I got this super gorgeous necklace. It has 2 hoops that link together. One of them is sort of textured. I don't know if you guys can see that. And the other one is just solid. This is perfect. My necklace that I normally wear actually just broke a few weeks ago and I haven't had time to fix it. So I've been looking for a super simple necklace that I can wear. I don't like to always wear that super big chain that you guys see me in with sometimes. So I've been kind of bare necking it and I don't love that. So I'm super excited for this piece. The second piece that they sent me are these knot earrings. They are perfect little studs. You guys know I love my hoops. I love my hoops in every single size. I have different types of hoops. I have different sizes of hoops, but every now and then I feel like I just want to put earrings in that aren't dangling or get caught in my mask and are just super simple, and I feel like these are the perfect earrings to do so. I can also layer these, so if I wanted to put like hoops in my first hole and then these in my second, I feel like they would be the perfect combination. I am really excited about these 2 pieces. Let's actually put them on. I'll put them on for you on camera. This is exactly what I was looking for. It's just super simple and dainty and perfect. I am obsessed with this. Wow, I feel like this could go with so many outfits. You could layer this with another necklace, or you could just wear it like this simple. It'd be perfect if you had like a little what's it called, like a v-neck top, so maybe this is like a little accent piece. I also love Ana Luisa because my ears are super sensitive to certain types of earrings. Like I can't wear super cheap earrings. I have to buy like hypoallergenic earrings or earrings that are, I know, like have great quality material, or else my ears get infected really fast. It's really gross, and it's something that I've dealt with since I got my ears pierced. So Annalisa is a brand that I know that doesn't break out my ears, which is also a huge plus for me, because there's nothing worse than having an infected ear. I'm obsessed. This is so cute, and like I said, I could even move this to my second hole and then put like a little hoop with it, but I think for today's look, just because I am working and being productive and I don't want to wear hoops, I'm just gonna leave it like this and just keep the studs in with this necklace, and I just think it's the perfect simple look, and I'm absolutely obsessed. And Elisa was also kind enough to send me a discount code for you guys, so I'll have it at the bottom of the screen. All the products that you saw in this little haul today will be linked in the description of this video, along with my code as well, and the link to the website, so you guys can go check it out. Alright, I had a quick issue pop up at work, so I had to take care of that. So that just is a good indication of how today's going, because it's only 10:30 in the morning. But I'm gonna go ahead. Sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and write out a to-do list actually for the day, because I have a lot to do and I don't want to forget to do any of it. So I'm gonna do that really quickly. I haven't used this notebook yet, but I'm pretty obsessed with the design of it. This is from Papier. This is the exact same brand as my agenda that I've showed multiple times. I just haven't used this notebook yet because I didn't know what I wanted to use it for. I was like, do I save it and use this as my next journal, or do I use it as a to-do list notebook? And I think I'm gonna use it as a to-do list notebook. I love my agenda, but there's not enough space to write down like daily to-do lists. It's more for me to just keep track of what is due each week and when it's due. So I'm gonna use this as my to-do list notebook. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, just to get all of my thoughts in one place so I don't forget to do anything. Today's to-do list consists of vacuuming my apartment, putting my donation clothes in the bag to give my parent, wiping off countertops / places that are dusty, 1,000-word paper, rough draft, call health insurance company, which is always fun, call mom for things. That sounds really sus. I just need her to bring a few things to me in the city. I promise it's nothing sus. And then I have a COVID test at 7:30, but I need to finish filling out the online forms to be able to go to the appointment. So as you can see, today is full of adulting things that are not even remotely fun or interesting. I would honestly rather have a bunch of schoolwork than do what I need to do today, but sometimes you just gotta put your big girl pants on and do the damn thing, like calling a health insurance company because they're charging me way more than they should be charging me, I think. And if they're not, then that's gonna be a good chunk of change out of my pocket. But that's like a whole thing we're not gonna get into. And then I need to call my mom, and I also need to go to the grocery store because I ran out of salt. I've been making all of my like food dishes and stuff like that without salt, which is borderline kind of gross, just because salt I feel like is a key ingredient. So I need to do that as well, but I just need to figure out how to fit this all into my day. It's already 11 o'clock. I haven't even eaten breakfast yet, and I also need to do that as well. Alright, I've moved to my bed because I just want to be in my bed. I just want to be comfy. I have some vlogs going on in the background, and I'm getting ready to make the call to my health insurance to check one thing off of the list. I'm really just avoiding writing my paper because I really don't want to write it. I know I'm not gonna have a good time with it, and I know it's going to be a literal pain in the butt, so I'm kind of avoiding that. So I'm gonna do all the other tasks that I have to do to avoid doing that one task.
Just a moment while I connect you to the next available operator.
An hour later, and I am finally off the phone, and to be honest, I didn't really get any of it figured out. If anything, I got more annoyed because now I owe a crap ton of money, and honestly the majority of the charges are kind of BS, and that's all I'm gonna say. But that kind of just put me in not a great mood. Just made a little leftover pasta for lunch. I'm not gonna sit in my bed and eat it. I'm gonna move to the desk. I put on Megan's video. She is doing a video on media kits and like basically how to develop them properly to get brand deals. And I have a media kit, but I've been looking to revamp mine a little bit, and I don't know, just kind of like change some things or add more details or add some additional content or remove content. So I'm really excited to see her video and like just to see what she does and how hers looks so that I can kind of compare and contrast and make changes to mine. So getting ready to do that and eat lunch at the same time and then get back to grinding.
What is a media kit? So basically a media kit is like a resume for your social media.
Falling down, I don't care. Pick me up, I need a kid. I know that if I stop now, I'll pick it up by sundown. It's all a waste and I know. Can't see the end and I know. She be here waiting. I'll be here waiting. I'll be here waiting.
Okay, I just spent the past hour or so completing a few BAU tickets for work just because they literally hadn't been touched in like 2 weeks, which is not good, but it doesn't just fall on me, it falls on the whole team. But I just kind of cleaned up the mess a little bit. I'm getting ready to call my mom because like I said, they're coming down for the weekend tomorrow. They think I'm around like noon and then they're literally leaving Sunday morning. They're just coming basically to go out to dinner with me. But I'm still like appreciative for it. I'm really excited to see them, but I do need to call her and ask her to bring a few things because she needs to go through like my closet at home. The weather's gonna start warming up here soon and I didn't bring any of my warm weather stuff with me for some reason. I just brought like sweaters, so kind of want like my shorts and my skirts and dresses and stuff here now. So gonna go ahead and give her a call now and go from there. Answer my call. About to get left on red by my mother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The car wash.
Oh, okay. Well, can you just text me when you're home then?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. JK, guess we won't be speaking to her. She's in the car wash, so that's good. So I guess then I need to get started on something else. I really need to write this paper, but I don't want to. You know the paper is bad when you would rather pay bills than write it, because I avoid bills at all cost. I get them done, don't get me wrong, but I do avoid them. But at this point in time, I would really rather pay bills than even touch this paper. So that's where I'm at.
Dopamine got me feeling like I gotta run. Need another hit or two before I'm having fun. I'm gon' quit this shit before it fucks me up. I'm gon' quit this shit before it fucks me up. Dopamine got me feeling like I gotta run. Need another hit or two before I'm having fun.
I moved locations to my general living area, just like my breakfast area, because I'm on my lunch break. I already ate lunch, but I just needed like a break. I needed to step away from my work computer. It was starting to stress me out. I also just got off the phone with my mom and told her everything that I need for her to bring to New York tomorrow. So that's another thing checked off the list. I'm trying to crack down on this paper, but honestly I'm really dreading it because it's just one of those paper that's annoying, and in the nicest way possible. I just don't understand the point of this paper because technically this is the last week of classes and I just feel like the lesson for the entire class was already taught, and we already did a group project on it, and I already wrote a different paper about it, and I completed all the lessons and quizzes and stuff like that about it. So I just don't understand what this paper is for. This paper is just annoying. It's about kind of like diagnosing our personality and leadership skills and stuff like that, and it just seems like an additional unnecessary paper that's gonna stress everyone out personally. In my opinion, that's kind of how I'm approaching the paper, which is not necessarily a positive way to approach the paper. I totally understand that, but I just feel like unnecessary added work to end off the class. I just don't understand the point of it. I feel like they could have just left the paper out and it would have been fine. But unfortunately it is due, so I do have to go ahead and complete it as much as I really don't want to. So I'm just gonna continue gathering information for that and I guess write the paper on my lunch break. Normally I go for like a run or workout or run to Target or get some fresh air on my lunch break, but I just feel like I don't really have time to do that today, especially with everything that I have going on. So my lunch break will be filled with schoolwork instead of like moving my body, getting out of my apartment, which is kind of annoying, but sometimes it just is like that. I literally just cranked out this rough draft and it's almost done. I need to add about like 100 more to get to the 1,000-word limit, but I'm proud of myself. This was a lot of work, and honestly, I just needed to sit down, put my phone away, and focus, and wow. Look at me go. I also put on Kylie's new YouTube video. She came out with a makeup tutorial / get ready with me with recording. So I'm watching that, finishing up this paper, burnt my popcorn, having myself a moment. Completed. Okay, that means that I've officially finished my first class of grad school. My final assignment is completed. I don't have any more coursework, and I literally couldn't be more excited. That's so exciting. I can't believe I've finished my first class already. Like I said previously in a few other videos, these classes are only 7 weeks long, and then I'll have a 1 week break in between each one. So I actually finished all of the work for this class early. The final assignment for this class wasn't due until Wednesday, but I wanted to get everything done early before my parents came so I didn't feel stressed out over the weekend. So I'm finished with this class early, and then my next class doesn't start until next Monday. So now I have a week-long break, which will be nice to catch up on YouTube work, clean my apartment, relax. It's kind of like my mini spring break, I guess. But I'm just so excited that that's done, and I'm really excited to see my final grade because I'm pretty sure, knock on wood, that I'm going to be getting an A in this class. And that was one of my goals for February, was to get not only an A, well, that was one of my goals for 2021 is to get an A in every single grad school class. This class I think is probably going to be a little bit easier than some of the others because like the next class that I'm taking is accounting, and I've never taken accounting before, but I haven't heard great reviews about it, so I'm a little bit nervous about that, but we're gonna remain positive. I'm good at math, so maybe I'll be good at accounting, but that's the next class I have to take, so I don't know. I'm just really excited, and I'm so glad that this class is done and that I finished everything that I need to do for the day and that I was actually productive, and now I just need to clean up my apartment. I think that's like the last thing on my list, so I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum and mop the floors in a bit and like wipe down all of the surfaces and stuff like that. But I just wanted to give you guys an update because that was really exciting, and I'm glad that I finished that. Finished with work for the day, like did all my grad school work. Like I said, I'm finished with the class, and I also finished with like my normal 9 to 5 work, and it's now my weekend. So with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my apartment because that was on my list of things to do today to be productive, and I didn't get a chance to do it in the middle of the day, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it now because I also need to cook dinner after, and I really just don't like cooking when my kitchen and living space is really dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum, wipe down some surfaces with some Lysol wipes, and go from there. So cue the cleaning montage.
I'm gonna quit this shit before it fucks me up. Need a night out, feeling high now, waiting on you, I feel it coming up. Need a night out, feeling high now, she got me frontin' now, I gotta pull up in a
It looks and smells so much cleaner in here. I need to fix that carpet, but overall much needed, and it looks presentable, so I'm happy about it. I've decided that instead of making dinner, I'm gonna get Chipotle because I think I deserve it, and I don't have a Chipotle near me, so I'm just gonna grab Chipotle when I go over to Brooklyn. I am gonna go ahead and, what is happening here? I'm gonna go ahead and end off this video here because I need to take a shower and get ready to go to my COVID test. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick reminder to check the link in my description for the Ana Luisa pieces that I have on today. You should definitely check them out. They are great. I cannot say enough good things about them. Like I said, I've bought them as presents for my sister, family members, myself, friends, so definitely an A1 brand, would highly recommend. And if you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Dopamine got me feeling like I gotta run. Need another hit or two.